Ever found yourself staring at your Bifrost Wallet balance, those precious crypto assets gleaming digitally, and thought, okay, great, but how do I actually use this in the real world? You're not alone. Navigating the world of decentralized finance can sometimes feel like deciphering an ancient scroll, especially when it comes to the seemingly simple task of getting your funds out. So, you've been staking your DOT, lending your KSM, or maybe even diving into the exciting world of cross-chain swaps on Bifrost. Your portfolio is looking healthy, and now the time has come to access those funds. Perhaps there's a bill to pay, a new opportunity to seize, or maybe you just want to treat yourself. Whatever the reason, knowing how to withdraw your assets from your Bifrost wallet is a fundamental skill for any DeFi user. Now, it's important to understand that Bifrost, being a non-custodial wallet, doesn't directly hold your funds in the traditional sense. It provides you with the interface to interact with various blockchain networks. Therefore, withdrawing typically means transferring your assets from your Bifrost wallet to an exchange or another wallet where you can then convert them to fiat currency or use them for other purposes. The exact steps for withdrawing will depend on the specific asset you want to move and the network it resides on. However, the general process involves a few key steps. First, you'll need a destination address. This is like the digital mailing address where you want to send your funds. If you're sending to an exchange, you'll usually find this address within your deposit or withdrawal section for the specific cryptocurrency you're moving. Double-check that you've selected the correct network for the asset you're withdrawing. Sending an asset to an address on the wrong network can unfortunately lead to permanent loss of funds, so this step requires meticulous attention. Once you have your destination address, head over to your Bifrost wallet. Locate the asset you wish to withdraw. You'll typically see a send or withdraw button associated with that asset. Click on it. You'll then be prompted to enter the recipient's address. This is where you carefully paste the address you obtained from the exchange or your other wallet. Next, you'll need to specify the amount you want to withdraw. Be mindful of any potential transaction fees associated with the network you're using. These fees are usually paid in the native token of that network, for example, DOT for Polkadot transactions, ETH for Ethereum transactions. Bifrost will typically display the estimated transaction fee before you confirm the withdrawal. After entering the address and the amount, take one final, deep breath and meticulously review all the details. Ensure the recipient address is absolutely correct, the amount is what you intend to send, and you understand the associated fees. Once you're confident everything is accurate, you can confirm the transaction. Depending on the network congestion and the specific blockchain, the withdrawal process can take anywhere from a few minutes to potentially longer. You can usually track the progress of your transaction using a block explorer associated with the relevant network. Bifrost may also provide a transaction ID or link that you can use for tracking. Remember, security is paramount in the crypto space. Always double-check the withdrawal address, be wary of phishing attempts or malicious links, and never share your private keys or seed phrases with anyone. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.